People see the whole world in his eyes. Without his will, not a single leaf moves. Devotees from faraway places visit his abode. Some walk miles just to have a glimpse of him. Because when they are connected with the thread of divinity, all their sorrows in life vanish. He is the world, He is the sky, He is earth, He is the truth, He is Mahaprabhu Jagannath, the Lord of the universe. Sometimes a storm rages in Puri Sri Kshetra. A strange fear is born amid the roar of danger. But every single enemy becomes powerless in front of the invisible power and the security cover at Sri Kshetra Dham, because Hanuman, the devotee, is always there to protect Jagannath and his holy land. Let's see from where and how Pavanputra Hanuman is protecting this holy Dham. After the battle of Ramayan in Lanka, a tired Hanuman came to Sri Kshetra to take shelter. He takes rest outside the shrine as gatekeeper after worshipping Lord Jagannath. Sri Kshetra reverberates with the sound of Mahavir snoring. This upsets Ma Lakshmi, who complains about Hanuman to Lord Jagannath. Later, Hanuman is instructed to move away little from the shrine. After moving 2.5 steps, Siruli becomes the abode of Hanuman. A question arises in the curious mind: where is this Siruli and what is its legend? Siruli is a village located 30 kilometers away from Puri. There is a temple of Mahavir Hanuman in this village. After moving 2.5 steps from Sri Mandir, this place became the abode of Lord Hanuman. Going by the name of the village, this shrine is famous as Siruli Mahavir Temple. Lord Hanuman's idol is 10 feet high, his eyes as deep as an ocean. It is said that Hanuman keeps one eye on Sri Kshetra while the other one is on Vibhishan in Lanka.
महावीर जितेबले राम रावण युद्ध है ये लंकार प्रमुख भूमिका ग्रहण करते। ये राम रावण युद्ध सारी सप्तवीर पुरी आसते। ये सप्तवीर पुरी आसी ये थिले लक्ष्मीकर द्वारपाल है किए हनुमान जी आउ से माने सब सेठी एठी अछंती किंतु ये हेले प्रकृत हनुमान ये थिले लक्ष्मीकर द्वारपाल है एंकर प्रखर निश्वास प्रश्वास लक्ष्मी संभाली पारे यही जगन्नाथ को जनइले कहले प्रभु किमिति गोटे लोक आनी एठी आपण रखिचंती जे मु खाइले खाई पारुनी सोइले सोई पारुनी ता प्रबल घुंगुड़ी आ निश्वास प्रश्वास रे भी मु रही पारुनी तेणु आपको तुरंत एठू विदाय करा जाए। तापरे जगन्नाथ आसी हनुमान को कहिले हनुमान तुम्हें एठी रहिबा द्वारा मांकर सब व्याघात होउची तमे एठू पिछला 2.5 पाउंड घुंची जाओ।
The temple priest says Mahavir is Swayambhu or self-manifested and his tail is seen some 6 kilometers away from the shrine. When the Lord is asked to move from Sri Kshetra, Hanuman asked how he will avail the darshan of Jagannath and how can he avail the Mahaprasad. Mahaprabhu Jagannath made sure Hanuman is not deprived of it. A temple was built for Hanuman. Every day it is customary ritual that Agyamala and Mahaprasad comes from Sri Kshetra. It is said that Hanuman's face automatically becomes distorted during the Navakalvar of Trinity in Puri. According to some servitors, temporary cracks are seen on the face of Siruli Mahavira, which is covered with vermilion. Later, however, everything returns to normal. There is also an Anjana pond near the temple of Siruli Mahavir.
इठी अंजना तप करुले एटा गोटे कदली जंगल थिला अंजना इठी तप करुले अंजना भी तांके पाखरे अछंती ये पुष्करिणी ना होउची अंजना सागर इठी जे कोनसी लोक आसी गाधेइले अपुत्रिक भी पुत्र लाभ पाए ये निजे स्वयंभू।
Every morning there is Maulam Niti, Sujya Puja, Dwarapala Puja, Mangala Arati, Balav Dhupa at 9 am, Madhyan Dhupa at 12. Along with these, the bathing ritual of Mahavir is carried out 3 times every day. and the temple witnesses a huge congregation of devotees on Mahavir Jayanti. But unfortunately, Siruli has been allegedly neglected by the government. Devotees and priests are upset over alleged government's apathy towards the renovation of this temple. Be it toilets or a parking space, there is lack of basic arrangements which proves the lack of concern of the government or the administration.
ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଏଠି ପାଣିର ସୁବିଧା ନାହିଁ, ଗୋଟେ ଟଏଲେଟ୍ ନାହିଁ, ଗୋଟେ ଇଏ ନାହିଁ, ଆମର ଯୋଉ ସୁଲଭ ଶୌଚାଳୟ ନାହିଁ, ଗୋଟେ ଆନନ୍ଦ ବଜାର ନାହିଁ, ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍କିଂ ପ୍ଲେସ୍ ନାହିଁ। ବାରମ୍ବାର ଆମେ ଜଣେଇବା ଭିତରେ ସରକାର ୟା ଉପରେ କିଛି ଇଏ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି। ଏଗୁଡ଼ାକ ସବୁ ନିହାତି ଦରକାର, ଯୋଉଟାକି କିଛି ନାହିଁ। ସରକାରଙ୍କର ଆନ୍ତରିକତା ଅଭାବରୁ ଏସବୁ କଥା କିଛି ହେଇପାରେ, ଯାହାଫଳରେ କି ଆମେ ବାରମ୍ବାର ୟାକୁ ଜଣେଇବା ଭିତରେ ସରକାର ୟାକୁ କର୍ଣ୍ଣପାତ କରୁନାହାନ୍ତି। ସେମିତିକା ଇଏ ହେଇକିରି ଇଏ ପଡ଼ିଛି।
This place is synonymous to peace and tranquility. Time to ponder how important it is to know about our tradition, our holy land. The age-old rituals and traditions in the temples of Odisha define us. Our identity is lost when we are oblivious to our rich culture. We'll soon come with another episode with another popular legend. Jai Hanuman, Jai Jagannath.